Disinfector C4PO. Instructions for use and operation. Open the box from the top. Remove the accessory box by pulling it upwards. Remove the internal protections and lift the packaging upwards. Move the disinfector off the pallet by lifting it up by the two handles. Insert the lance holder into the dedicated housing. Insert the condensation collection container into the spiral section of the lance holder. Hook the lance by inserting its eyelet into the end of the lance holder. Prepare the disinfectant solution in a separate container. Dilute 1 bottle of Hygienio Plus into 2 liters of demineralized water. Pour the prepared solution into the disinfectant tank using the provided funnel with filter. Use the provided funnel with filter to fill the water tank with 2 liters of demineralized water that has an electrical conductivity of 30 Siemens per centimeter or more. Connect the power plug into the power outlet. When the LED on the off button is on, it confirms the connection to the electric current. To start the disinfector, press the power button to on. Automatically, the electric resistance light and the flashing LED on the disinfectant selection button will light up. Once the pressure on the pressure gauge has reached 1 bar after about 4 to 5 minutes, an initial drain of about 3 to 5 seconds in the condensation collection container is recommended. Wait for the pressure to reach 4 bars, around 12 minutes. To make this operation quicker, press the fast heating button and proceed by dispensing the jet into the condensation collection container. At first, just water will come out. Then, when the circuits are heated, steam will come out. After about 50 to 60 seconds, the system will signal that it is ready for the disinfection treatment by emitting a brief sound and displaying a fixed light on the H disinfectant selection button. Press the lance button and move towards the surface to be treated. How to apply the disinfectant. 1. Keep a distance of about 40 to 60 centimeters from the surface or equipment to be treated. 2. For areas with low or medium risk of contamination, proceed by applying the disinfectant to the surface or equipment to be treated in horizontal and vertical passes. For areas with high risk of contamination, proceed with diagonal passes. Dispense at a constant speed and evenly for a continuous and homogeneous disinfection treatment. Before each delivery, it is recommended to briefly direct the condensation jet into the appropriate container. Never dry the surfaces after the treatment, as this would nullify the action of the disinfectant. The product will dry naturally. Only steam function. By deactivating the H disinfectant selection button, just steam can be dispensed. This optional function can be useful for completing a cleaning, deterging phase. In this phase, a short distance from the surface, 5 to 10 centimeters, can be maintained. This can cause excessive water residue. Dry if necessary. To turn off the disinfector, press the button Power to off.